Bonjour French Chic ladies, look at the magnificent setting behind me. Yes, today we are in Paris. I will show you 3 beautiful handbags you can take with you for a day trip to Paris. These are actually those bags that I have with me today, and I will show you my day in Paris with those bags. Before we start, I would like to thank Cambridge Satchel Company for sponsoring this video. One of the main bags you may want to go to Paris is a tote bag, and we have here the Emily, and this I find is the right size because let me tell you, the larger the bags are, the more you put in it, and the more you put in it, of course, the heavier they get. And after a couple of hours of carting those heavy bags on your shoulder, you get very tired. So for me, this one is the right size. And it contains so much because you can put a lot in this bag. Just look at it. So the inside is as you see, just smooth leather, and you have a side pocket here. But what I will do, and it's a good idea I find, is to buy an insert so you can put in the bag, and then you can organize your things, because it's certainly something I like to do. I like to have my bags organized so I don't have to look through and everything seems to be at the bottom. Everything you want is always at the bottom of the bag. So this one is perfect for this. Also, it is embossed. I'm asked to have it embossed. My initials here, very discreet, but you can choose the type of embossing you want, in gold or silver for instance, and with a little crown at the top. So you can choose to have your bag embossed if you liked. And with this video, you can get free embossing with my special code French Chic with the bags that you buy from the Cambridge Satchel Company. All the bags from the Cambridge Satchel Company are made in British leather, and really thick leather, and they smell beautiful. I love the smell of leather. As you know, I am a horse rider, and I really love the smell and the feel of the leather. I love this color also. And at the bottom here, you can see those 4 little feet, so that when you place your handbag on the side with you next to a cafe, in a cafe or something, it does not get dirty. You're also having a metal clasp here. These handbags will last a lifetime, but if something goes wrong, the company offers a lifetime repair service. So how did the Emily fare when I took it for a spin in Paris? It was comfy enough to carry over my shoulder and big enough to be the only bag you would need for a day trip, and can accommodate all you would need to carry. It was easy to carry over your arm, and even though I had a lot in it, it never felt too big or too bulky. And it was so well made and sturdy that I had complete confidence that it was up to the job. And of course, for Paris, you need something stylish, and the Emily delivers. It looks so chic that I even caught a few ladies eyeing it up. I did a lot of walking, and the Emily was very versatile and comfortable to use. It was a stylish companion all day, and the cover flap and clasp were a good addition for extra security. The second bag I wanted to show you is this so cute Batchel. So it's a satchel with a top handle. So it looks like very much a satchel, a school satchel, and I think French women would absolutely love this. I'm French, I absolutely adore it. I love the trio of colors: the clay, the oxblood, and the navy. And these are colors we definitely wear in the autumn winter in France. The Batchel comes in 3 various sizes, and this one is the smallest size, is this 11-inch. And it comes with an adjustable strap, so you can carry it like this. Especially for the cities, it's very safe, so people can pull the cartable off you. Let's have a look at the inside. So you don't have to undo here, it takes time, but look now, it's with little hoppers, very easy. You have an inside pocket to put your wallet, as I have, and you have an inside pocket at the front here, So you can put your things you need to get to easy. Here, my pack of Mentos, but you have, you can put your mobile, your keys, or a mask. So here you are, look at that. Tiny, but mighty. At the back of the bags, you have a discreet logo here of the Cambridge Satchel Company, little bicycle, it's their logo, handmade in Great Britain. And when you have that, you can see that it is a genuine Cambridge Satchel Company handbag. And of course, you can have it embossed for free with this video with my special code FRENCHCHIC. Please let me know what you think of those bags so far, and I will put the links to these 3 handbags below this video. So how did the baby Batchel fare in my swing around Paris? It was so easy to carry and light when walking. You can sling it over your shoulder for that casual chic look. Being small, it was easy to travel with. Although small, in my view, it is perfect for Paris chic. Cute as a button, and when all you need is your credit card, it would make shopping in Paris a dream. Before I go to the last bag, I just wanted to tell you about the buying experience from the Cambridge Satchel Company. The site is easy to navigate and the choice is excellent. Ordering is very easy and the service fast and polite. The bags arrived very well protected and each was beautifully wrapped and comes in its own linen dust bag to keep it in good condition. Our third handbag is this Oxblood Batchel, and it is again a satchel with a handle. So this is again very comfortable to wear. It also comes with an adjustable strap, but I wanted to show you how it is without the strap. So it is a really good size to have also. You can also have it embossed, don't forget. And again, very much like the smaller one. This one is a 13-inch. And you can see the inside, it contains quite a lot. And also, let's not forget, you can get some small inserts here. I will get some and I will do another video to show you. And again, a front pocket here. This color, the Oxblood, is one of the most popular colors in the range. And I can see why. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And that can go with so many outfits. With grey, with black, with the light neutrals of taupes, the camels, the off-white, you know, with your jeans. I think it is really lovely. It is understated, but I find it very, very chic. As my mantra, as you well know, is style over fashion. I think these 3 bags that I have shown you is very much style over fashion. Very good quality, chic and elegant. So please let us know which of these handbags is your favorite. Don't forget, each of them comes in different colors. And of course, just as we finished filming, they finished trimming the hedges. So how did the big brother Batchel do in my walk around Paris? I found it easy to carry as a bag or as a crossbody. The color was a real eye pleaser and classic to go with most outfits. I could easily have used this bag for business, as my Apple MacBook Air slips right in, and I can also fit in my iPad, phone, purse, and other things I need. So for my spin around Paris or for business, this Big Brother Batchel is perfect.